everyone, today I'm joining in on the Fall Lantern Centerpiece Challenge hosted by Arlene over at Arlene's Country Craft Corner and Kim over at Sweet Daisy Creations. It is so much fun participating in these challenges, and I thank these sweet, beautiful, and talented ladies so much for giving me the opportunity to participate. In this challenge, you had to have a tray, a lantern, and a funky bow or a swag bow. And I just did a little funky bow on mine. And I added a few picks of pumpkins and pip berries. And my tray is a sweet little rooster tray that I got at a thrift store for $4. And I absolutely love it. It's all metal and it's a really, really good deal for $4 is what I paid for it. And my lantern I got at Kirkland's when they had them on clearance, and I paid only $18 for it. So I am really happy with the overall look of it. I think it's really pretty. But once again, I'd like to thank Arlen and Kim so much for this open challenge, and it was so much fun. And thanks again, ladies.